What's going on YouTube? In today's video, we're gonna be checking out the GTRacing GT901 Gaming Chair. We have it right here in this box right here, so we're gonna have to open it up. I'm not gonna bore you with the what's in the box, but I will do like kind of a quick montage of assembling it. I say quick, I'm gonna make it as fast as possible. Hopefully it doesn't take long. Either way, this gaming chair was about $200. You can go to their website and choose it. It's free shipping from there, as well as I think it's on Amazon too. So I'll go ahead and put the links in the description below so you can check it out yourself. I will also incorporate a 15% gift card or 15% coupon code in my description below to buy it from their website. They were nice enough to allow me to give you guys a 15% coupon code so that way you can save a little bit of money. Right now it's $209.95 for this version. They have multiple versions, but for this version it is $209. I think it is a discount right now without that coupon code for $189.99 shipped. So then you get a 15% coupon. So go ahead and check out the link in the description for current pricing, so that way you can get it at a good deal. So let me open this box and start assembling it. So I'm going ahead and open it up and get the manual out, and then also get all the pieces laid out here, so that way I know what's what and what I have here to assemble. The instruction manual was a 2-pager, so it gave me about 7 pictures on what to do. So assembling this was pretty easy. So you started with the base, and then you worked your way up, putting the base of the seat, and then you start putting the mechanism on the sides of the seat so you can mount the back of the chair on there. Now, one thing is they did short me one of the longer bolts that mounts the seat to the back of the seat, and so I went ahead and just used one of the leftover shorter bolts, as they did give me some extra pieces. Well, they purposely gave you some extra pieces so that way if you lost any, or as you see here, I was shorted, so that helps. Assembling this was actually pretty easy, like I said. They did give you an Allen key to assemble this, which at the end of the day, I probably should have got a T-handle out of my garage to make it easier, but they do give you what you need to assemble it. Now, it's easier to assemble this with the arms if you take the lower, or the footrest out, because 2 of the bolts on each of the arms, you can't get to with the footrest in the way, so you have to remove it and then get those bolted back up, and then you can actually put the footrest back together. The footrest is held into place by sliding it into the arms, and then also has a few little O-rings to keep it in place. But other than that, this is the chair right here. So this particular chair comes in many different colors. So as you can see here, I have the black, and then there's the blue, then you have the red, and then you have the white here. So I chose the black one because I really wasn't sure which color to pick, and I figured you can't go wrong with black. The overall build quality right off the bat seems pretty good. The stitching looks nice, the chair looks nice, the smooth PU leather feels really pretty good in the hands. It doesn't feel cheap and has a lot of padding to it. One thing to note about the GT901 model is it offers a more flatter style seat. The cushion of the seat seems a bit larger and provides more cushion than the other Pro model series. This is great for more of an office chair where you're going to be sitting for long hours. Also, with this style of seat, it doesn't gouge into your legs if you're a bigger person. Overall, the attention to detail with the sporty style wheels with the feet guards on the legs makes this look like a premium chair. The chair does come with a neck pillow for support, which works out pretty good for my height at about 6 foot. If that's not for you, then you can easily remove it. The lumbar support is also nice, as it can be moved up and down with ease. And if you don't like that either, you can remove it just like the neck pillow. The armrests and the seat back are both adjustable. However, if you want to move the arms in and out, you have to unbolt them and tighten them back up to get them to move back and forth. The back of the seat goes from 90 degrees to 160 degrees, which at 160 degrees feels like I'm about to fall over, as you can see here. This thing comes with a footrest, which easily pulls out and allows you to put your legs on it. It doesn't seem super sturdy, but I didn't feel like I was going to break it. So let's get real. The small bar is holding it up. It's not going to feel very sturdy, but it does hold my legs. Either way, at least it has a footrest when you want to kick your feet up and chill for a bit. So that was the black on black GT901 from GT Racing. All in all, I gotta say that this has been a fantastic chair. I've used it for the last week, doing work, doing some video editing, all that type of jazz. I work 8, sometimes 9 hours a day, sitting at all times at my computer. And then there are times when I spend a little bit, like maybe an hour or so each day editing videos for YouTube. So I've spent probably about 9 to 10 hours a day in this chair for at least a week. And I've got to say, now granted, I didn't have the best of all chairs from the get-go, but I got to say that my butt thanks me. Now, since my recent vehicles have had lumbar support, I've been beginning to use it a lot more. And since this thing has lumbar support, it helped out with my lower back and my bad posture a lot more. I never thought I'd be using the neck pillow here, but in all reality, when I have to just sit back and relax and just kind of relieve some stress, it's right there when you need it. And it's nice and easy. And just sit back, count to 1,000, whatever you want to do to relax. Either way, it's right there. It's nice and it supports your neck, supports your back. It's ready to go. The adjustable arms are great. I'll tell you this, I had quite a few times with my old chair where the arms didn't adjust, and just for my seat to be at a certain position comfortably on my desk, if I moved my seat to get out of the area to get up from my desk, if my hand was underneath or on top of the armrest, and then I stood up and all the weight came off the chair would come up and my fingers would be pinned between the desk and the armrest, and that is very painful. I know it's a little thing, but I think it's nice that I have the ability to adjust these where I want them and where I need them, because if I want my seat height to be a certain height, I can adjust these a little bit lower if I need to. That way I don't get my fingers pinched. So it's gonna save me on the digits. Now, like I said at the beginning of this video, GT Racing was nice enough to give 15% off on all my viewers. So I'll put that coupon code in the description below so you can check it out yourself, along with the link to this product, as well as a few others. I will also put a link for the Amazon links if you want to decide to pick it up from Amazon or GT Racing. It's up to you, but the coupon code I believe only works for the GT Racing website. What's really nice is the biggest thing about Amazon is it's free shipping. GT Racing is also free shipping. If you have any questions or comments about this chair, go ahead and put it in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you. If this is your first time to my channel, please consider subscribing, and I will see you next time.